What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and also get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and especially 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description and it's definitely worth every penny. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it, guys. So what do we got? We got Dow down 0.69% and Nasdaq finally down only 1.26%. S&P also down on the day 1.12%. Bottom, technology finally getting a hit. Also communication services, basic material, industrials, consumer cyclical, and then healthcare. And here in this groups, we got Tesla down 1.64%. We got Google down 2%. Finally, a cool off, a pullback on Google stock. Meta down 0.64%. We got Nvidia down 1.5%. And Microsoft also down close to 2%. And Apple also down 1.51% on the day. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So on SPY, all you need to know is your risk level going into tomorrow and this whole week. And if you look at my screen, risk on right here on SPY, and this is a dip buying opportunity also. This uptrend right here on SPY is right around 412. We also have a positively sloping white line 20 SMA sitting at 412.72. So that is going to be a strong support. You do not want to short right here and get caught, on a massive rally to the upside. So watch out, guys. This could be a higher low, and also this uptrend can hold on SPY 412 right here. Anything in between 412 to 413 going into tomorrow. Now, SPY gaps down below that, then definitely instantly you will see more sell-off all the way down to 407 to close this gap down here, and then there might be even more downside because we got gaps down here. 401.60. We also have support below 407 right here. 404 and then 401.60, 400 and then 396. Now I'm not saying that is going to happen. I'm just giving you guys what could be the next scenario on SPY below 412. All these gaps can possibly get filled on SPY below 412. That needs to hold tomorrow and this week. Now also this is a buying opportunity right here. This is a higher low on a pullback. After that breakout, this is going to be a higher low on SPY. And also, if this uptrend can hold at 412, this is going to be a dip buy on SPY going into tomorrow. Now, SPY here needs to take out 415, 417.20, and then we're going to see SPY going back up to 420 again. And yesterday, I did not cover the whole stock market. But if you look at my screen, it was coming, guys. A doji indecision candle on SPY, and today we got the sell-off. Now also on debt ceiling, there is still no deal. And if this is how it goes, yes, sell-off can pick up a bit more and we could see a lot more selling, and SPY can come down and close all these gaps down here. And below 412, like I said, watch out for 407, 404 where we held before, and then 401.60, 400, 396.49. All these gaps down here, we got 3 gaps. To the upside, it needs to break over 415, 417, blue line 5 SMA, and then we're going to see another push back up to 420. And now we're going to look at IWM. So this was a fantastic trade I took on IWM above 180 today, guys. I mean, this thing skyrocketed today. I mean, look at this. And look at this candle. This is not a good looking candle, especially if we look at this wick on top. This thing was up quite a bit in last 2 days. And now, I took those puts, 175 on IWM, just sold out just before closing. And look at this thing. And my target was 177. It came exactly today. This thing was getting extremely overbought, especially trading above upper Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 177, and IWM was trading at 180 plus. So you gotta take puts. I took puts 175, paid today, and now it's actually under the support 178. So we do have a gap down here. We also have a gap all the way up here at 180.61. So this is also kind of a manipulation in the market. A lot of people are looking at it like, I'm going to sell right here at the gap close, and it's not closing the gap. And that's why I took those puts, because yes, it can possibly fill the gap and then dump. I'd rather just take my puts right here and make some money, because I know, yeah, it looks good, but it's not strong as you think. Now IWM, guys, it's under 178. Yesterday it was holding 178 as a support, which is a big resistance on IWM. So on tomorrow on IWM, you got to look at right here, 177. That would be a key level of support on IWM. Positively sloping 5 SMA on this daily chart. And if that gives up all the way down 175, 174, and then possibly down to 171.56. Now this is just one day, so IWM can recover, possibly hold 177 and then break 178 right here, and that holds as a support. We're going to see more upside, and possibly this gap on top will get fully closed at 180.61, and then there is more upside all the way up to 183 on IWM. On Triple Q, I've been holding 330 puts, and that is a swing trade, and now those puts are green, and looks like it's holding 333 as a support into closing. So that is going to be a big level right here, guys. And if that gives up, watch out for 328.80, 13 SMA, this orange line on this daily chart, and then watch out for 325, white line 20 SMA. Now Triple Q can hold 333 as a support, then we're going to see a push back up to the upside, and in that case, watch out for the resistance at 335 and then 340. On DIA, it's getting decimated and looks like it's coming down again. That was a fake breakout, and now looks like it's coming down to close this gap down here at 328. So tomorrow, guys, watch out. Now we have lower Bollinger Band aligned with this gap down here. So that is going to be a key level to watch tomorrow. We do have daily 200-day also around 326, 327. So that is going to be a strong support on DIA. To the upside, now it needs to get over 334.29, white line 20 SMA. And if that holds, we're going to see a push back up to the upside to close that gap on top at 340. And now we're going to look at VIX. On VIX, it's up 7.67% and finally trading above $18. So going into tomorrow on VIX, key level of support $18 right here. And if that holds, we could see a move back up to 20. And once we break $20 on VIX, that is when you're going to see a significant pullback in the market. And I think we all need that pullback in the market so we can buy some cheap shares, because right now everything is flying, guys. It's insane. Everything is going to pretty much all-time highs. So VIX, and it's not going to happen in one day that we're going to get that breakout above 20 and this thing will just spike back up to 30 in one day, unless there is like really bad catalyst, no deals going on for the debt ceiling, and we actually go on default. Then we could see a big spike on VIX. Yes, this thing can spike above upper Bollinger Band, but how long this thing will hold, we have to watch and find out going into next few days. VIX here definitely needs to break 20, and then we could see more upside on VIX and more downside here in the market. But as of right now, it's only one day and it's holding only $18. It's not like this thing is out of the woods, above 20 and just going even higher, and there is a lot of fear in the market. There is no fear in the market right now, but tomorrow, especially with debt ceiling, that could bring fear into the market. And if that happens, we could get a nice juicy pullback. And I think you will all agree that nobody can buy anything right now. Everything is high. You have to wait for a nice pullback and then possibly get some cheap shares of all those mega names out there, because everything is flying higher. And that's all I have for you guys tonight in this video. Thank you so much for watching.